Okay, a bit of progress this week. It looks more progress than it is because I put parts together in sort of a dry fit. So I put the wings parts together, but they're not glued on to the fuselage. I put the fuselage together, but they're not glued together. As such, what I've done, I've painted the inside. Various different parts, and if I can get any closer to it. There we are, some parts there painted, and I've put the interior part of the fuselage in. Got the seat, instrument panel. I don't know if it shows up as being got the decal on there. I got the joystick control column from the Hasegawa kit. Usually a bit stronger than the one with the FX kit. And I got the seat. I got to put the belts on there first, but make them out of a bit of tiny tape perhaps. The actual colour green, that was the interior green I bought, and it's a bit dark, but I thought, oh, it's not bad actually for a American interior green. So that's what I've used, and that's how far I've got really. I've done a bit of a dry brushing effect. I don't know if it's going to show up. A bit of a dry brushing effect on the oil cooler section. Yeah. But that's where I am after a week, and I'll be taking it slowly. But there we are, bit of a progress report. Take care, bye.